तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर इंट्रोडक्शन टू HRM, ठीक है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. सो वी ट्राई टू कवर द मैक्सिमम थिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है. हाँ महेश सर, डेफिनेटली आई हैव अप ऑल दिस सेशन, ठीक है, सारे जो मैराथन हम लोग करेंगे वो सब आपका, एंड आई विल कम अप विद वन अनदर सेट आपका, ठीक है. विल बी डिस्कसिंग और विल बी हैविंग वन सेट ऑफ योर काइंड ऑफ दैट महामैराथन रिविजन, ठीक है. सो वहां पे we'll come up with one complete new set of question और smaller set of question, ठीक है. चलो अब अगला यूनिट आपका यूनिट नंबर 11 which is development of human resources. So we have HRD and subsystem, ठीक है. So these are the course content under this particular one, HRD and its subsystem, ठीक है. Learning and development, role and impact of learning, ठीक है. Attitude development, career path. Then we have self development, talent management, succession planning. Succession planning is basically if we are replacing some leaders and all, so who is going to handle that particular post आपका, ठीक है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट 11 एंड 12 ये सबसे बड़े यूनिट आपके हैं आपके ओवरऑल करिकुलम के अंदर, ठीक है. सो एवरीवन गाइस, वी आर गोइंग, मतलब 11 इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट यूनिट आपका. अगर इफ यू गो थ्रू योर बुक ऑल्सो ना, हाँ मैं इसको एक बार देख भी रहा हूँ इसीलिए. तो देखो आपका जो यूनिट 11 है दैट कंज्यूम मैक्सिमम लाइक अराउंड 30 पेजेस से ज्यादा में आपका ये बुक जो यहाँ पे दिया गया है. सो वी विल बी प्रैक्टिसिंग अगेन यूनिट वाइज आपका एमसीक्यूज और आपका द बेसिक कोर एरियाज फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है. सो अगेन आपका स्टैटिक बेस, ठीक है. स्टैटिक बेस इज समथिंग जिससे मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा डर लगता है, ठीक है. So, which of the following statement regarding the evolution of HRD, human resource development, and its subsystem are correct? In the year 2000 and beyond, customer expectations and customization become central of the organizational strategies. It is about the post-liberalization. So, this was the change which we actually faced during that particular period. ठीक है, तो आपका LPG basically it was post-liberalization or globalization things happened during this particular period. So that make this kind of changes in the system. Public sector bank face no competition from the foreign or new private sector bank. ये सरासर incomplete है, आपका incorrect है, ठीक है. Core banking solution were introduced to enhance operational efficiency and reduce cost. आपका 100% true. Strategic HRM and global HRM are gaining importance in response to globalization and organizational goal. आपका true, ठीक है. That means 134 means option A only will be right answer for this particular one. Why you guys are not answering? ठीक है, देखो आज तो मैं आपको पूरा एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. when it will come to the final marathon, you guys are going to answer these ones. So practice well these particular one, ठीक है. Public sector they did face the competitions आपका, even now also we are facing the same things, ठीक है. चलो अगला क्वेश्चन गाइस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन. 5 स्टेटमेंट ओनली, ठीक है. Which of the following statement regarding human resource development are true? Human resource development HRD, ठीक है. So you have to find out the correct statement related to human resource development. HRD help employee acquire or sharpen capabilities for current and future role आपका, ठीक है. Let's say you are working as a like let's say if you have joined some organization, so that is how you'll grow or evolve in that within that organization or within that role. So how we can go for the enrichment, आपका job enrichment or enlargement or promotion and all. So that is generally part of this one, 100% true. HRD focus only on improving technical skills for operational efficiency. It is not only about the technical skills आपका, ठीक है. We do have other skills आपका like leadership or others. So obviously you will grow and you will be having or you will be handling the entire team. For that one leadership will required or some other आपका policy related frameworks and all. So I'll not go with this one, ठीक है. HRD aim to foster collaboration among various organizational units. HRD aim to foster collaboration among various organizational unit. True. Job analysis play a key role in implementing HRD subsystem effectively. Then job analysis is something like, let's say after your human resource planning, you'll let's say human resource planning आपका HRP is something where we are doing some sort of demand and supply analysis. Let's say we have a demand of 100 people and we have 70 people with us. That means we have a deficit of 30 people. If we are going to like, that means this is the need of the organization. So now we will define आपका what, like we need 30 people of this much of skill set. Based on this skill set and everything's analysis, we'll go for the recruitments and all. ठीक है? HRD goal include developing supervisor subordinate relationship and team spirit आपका true. ठीक है? तो 1 3 4 5 आपका 1 3 हाँ, ऑप्शन बी शुड बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. वेरी गुड गाइस, ऑप्शन बी. सो द ओनली इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट वाज 2. नेक्स्ट वन. देखो ये आखिरी क्वेश्चन है जो सबसे बड़ा स्टेटमेंट वाला है. ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट आपका रीड समटाइम ना, एक्चुअली आई डू नॉट गेट ऑप्शन टू एलिमिनेट द थिंग्स बिकॉज सारे स्टेटमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट लगते हैं, तो जो इंपॉर्टेंट है वो सब आपके सामने है. ठीक है, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट जॉब एनालिसिस, job description and job evaluation and identify which of the following are correct. So three things आपका, you are going to build your understanding around three things: job analysis, description and job evaluation. ठीक है, and you have to find out the correct statement about these particular areas and all. चलो बताओ क्या होगा correct answer? Anyone who want to answer this question? So job analysis promote both the behavioral expectations and strategic importance of the job role in alignment with the organizational goal. Any doubt on this particular statement? No. Take a job analysis. Whenever we do this particular thing, so we generally check. Like let's say if you are recruiting a new person, that person is first of all key skill. That person have that much of a skill to execute that particular job. Capacity and skills, everything get tested. Aapka educational background, experiences and all. The another thing is sometime what we happen, we got employees or we got a right candidate aapka for right post, but the problem with the attitude of that particular person, that is not organizationally fit. So that is the issue. So statement one is correct. A job specification is a static and cannot be updated unless the job itself is eliminated or completely redesigned. No. Job, this is wrong आपका. ठीक है, job specification is static. No, it is not a static first of all, right? So like for PO we need this much of skill set. For RV grade B officer we need this one. For a manager, for a clerk, for a different, we have different specifications and all. ठीक है, job evaluation is primarily concerned with the assessing individual employees performance in respect of आपका respect sorry आपका performances in their respective role based on the KPIs, key performance indicators. When we join any organization, they generally let us know about the आपका key responsibility areas कि you are going to handle these many things. So these are the KPIs. On the basis of these KPIs, your evaluation will be done at the end of month or quarter or year, and accordingly we will give you appraisals. This is true. Functional job analysis quantify job task using scale like data, people and things to drive objectives. Job worth आपका. ठीक है, statement 4. What do you say about this one? ठीक है, so state functional job analysis quantify job task using scale, data, people. This is also seems correct here. Job description focus on what is done on the job, whereas job specification emphasis the suitable who is suitable for that particular job. Statement 5 is also correct आपका. ठीक है, statement 5 is also correct. Then आपका statement 6, in competency based job analysis, competency is basically where we require some sort of core skills and all. ठीक है, emphasis in is placed on the underlying personal trait rather than the job task आपका. ठीक है, this is also seems correct. Comprehensive job analysis focus process can help minimize role ambiguity. Comprehensive job analysis process can minimize role ambiguity and legal risk in employee grievances and all. ठीक है, करेक्ट है. कुछ गड़बड़ की है क्या हम लोग? 1 3 4 5 6 7 1 3 4 5 6 is not here. Okay, 1 3 कुछ तो गड़बड़ की है किसी में ना. Okay, we'll quickly go through this one. Statement 1 is 100% true. A job specifications cannot be updated on that. This is 100% wrong. Job evaluation is primarily concerned with the assessing individual employees' performance. Job evaluation is primarily concerned with the assessing individual employee performance in their but it should be it also seems correct. Yeah. Functional job quantifies this and people in things. Anyone who want to answer this one? This seems correct. Job description focus on what need to be done, where specification, this is also correct here. Competency based job analysis emphasizes the place on underlying personal trait and rather than the job task. The comprehensive job analysis process can help minimize role ambiguity and this. तो ओके, वी हैव टू चेक एनीवन हु वांट टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन गाइस. कोई आपका जो आंसर करना चाहते हैं, हु लाइक जिनका आंसर थोड़ा सा डेविएट करे, क्योंकि कोई पॉइंट मैंने गलत पिक किया है फॉर श्योर, विल चेक दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, एज पर दिस आंसर आपका आंसर डी मींस आपका स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स, स्टेटमेंट 3 इज फॉल्स. ठीक है, तो हमने जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन कैन एंड शुड बी अपडेटेड एज अ रिक्वायरमेंट. ठीक है, दिस वाज करेक्ट. स्टेटमेंट 2 वाज आपका इनकरेक्ट था. ठीक है, तो हमने ये चीज करेक्ट किया था. ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट 3 आपका, ठीक है, जॉब इवैल्यूएशन फोकस ऑन द रिलेटिव वर्थ ऑफ जॉब. ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है. सो इट इज समथिंग आपका, इफ वी आर पेइंग 1 लाख रुपीज टू अ पर्सन, so what is the outcome of that particular person. ठीक है, not individual performances. ठीक है, so statement 3 आपका that was concerned with the, not with this, it is about the worth driven by that particular one. ठीक है, that's why आपका 1 3 sorry क्या होगा आंसर आपका 1 3 4 5 नहीं, फिर भी इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है ना. डी आपका 1 4, हाँ 1 4 5 6 7. ठीक है, तो दैट्स व्हाई डी इज द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस वन. हाँ, महेश सर ने आंसर करेक्ट किया है गेस. ठीक है, रेस्ट आपका थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे है. ठीक है, सो दिस वाज द इनकरेक्ट पॉइंट, रेस्ट ऑल आर करेक्ट. ठीक है, so the only confusion was around this, that is job evaluation which is focused on the relative worth of the job. so that is something related to this one. ठीक है, तो प्लीज जब आप इसको रिवाइज करिएगा तो ये चीज छोटी छोटी टर्मिनोलॉजीज आपकी हैं. ठीक है, जो हम एचआर डिपार्टमेंट को ना उतनी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती है. ठीक है, अब यहाँ से पूरी रिस्पेक्ट उनको मिलने वाली है विद दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एंड ऑल. राइट, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. एबीसी कॉर्पोरेशन is expanding its operation and is the process of hiring a logistic manager. The HR department collect information from current employees, conduct observation at the warehouse, and use structured questionnaires to understand the role better. Based on this data, they consult with external expert to finalize the job description and job specifications. Which of the following is true regarding the differences between job description and job specialization? ये क्वेश्चन हमें मतलब पूरी कहानी पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं थी, बट हमने पढ़ा आपका पूरा स्टोरी आपका. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली वी कैन आंसर विद दिस वन. ठीक है, कंफ्यूजन बहुत है सर इसमें. हाँ बिल्कुल होगा समय सर, थोड़ा बहुत कंफ्यूजन होगा, और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस से दूर होगा. आप बिल्कुल भी चिंता मत कीजिए. जस्ट आफ्टर दिस सेशन आई विल मेक अ मॉड्यूल मॉक. ठीक है, अब हमेशा ऐसा होगा कि लेट्स से टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एनालिसिस, आपका डिस्कशन अराउंड मॉड्यूल बी. आई विल गिव यू अ मॉड्यूल मॉक आपका, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस दैट पर्टिकुलर वन. जितनी बार भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं उतनी बार. कल तक ये आपका रहेगा. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. हाँ, बी, people are saying B will be right answer for this one. Job description is about what and how a job is done. बिल्कुल सही. While job specification focus on who is suitable. This was part of our previous question also. ठीक है, तो वहां पे जो लाइन थे ना, somewhere it was mentioned in these particular one also. ठीक है, देखो अब वही क्वेश्चन आपका, that 7 statements that help you to solve 1 marker question. If they'll ask this type of question, for sure it is going to for 1 mark, and 100% true guys. It is B is the right answer for this one. ठीक है, so the job description include detail like duties, working conditions, reporting structure, what and how, while the specification define the ideas, candidate qualification, experiences, skills, personality trait, that is something related to who आपका. Very good guys. Jyoti ma'am and आपका we have Pujisha and we have other also Das sir and others. Very good guys. Awesome. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया आप लोग कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, और इसमें से HR वाले जो लोग हैं वो तो बहुत ज्यादा खुश होंगे आज. Anyone who working as a SOHR और others जो बैंक के अंदर आपका SOHR की तरह काम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, चलो बताओ नेक्स्ट वन गाइस. Which of the following statement about learning, training, development and education in an organizational context are correct? So if you open your book, you will see आपका learning for 1 paragraph, आपका ट्रेनिंग 1 पैराग्राफ, डेवलपमेंट्स आपका पूरा अलग से उन्होंने कहानी आपको दे रखी है, ठीक है. सो विद दिस पर्टिकुलर वन विल ट्राई टू हेल्प दिस एरियाज, ठीक है. सी, और टेलीग्राम में पीपल आर लाइक, कौन है ये? आधे लोग तो मेरे को लगता है सिर्फ पीडीएफ के लिए ही रहते हैं, ठीक है. एंड दे दीज पीपल आर लाइक लास्ट में दे स्ट्रगल विद द थिंग्स एंड ऑल, ठीक है. हु विल टेल दीज पीपल गाइस? एनीवन हु वांट टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन गाइस? क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर? प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द स्टेटमेंट. So the primary objective of development is to import job specific motor skills essential for immediate task and performance, ठीक है. It is not about the development, ठीक है. Development is a broader term. It is something related to your training, ठीक है. The first statement is about your training, not about the development. Development is like overall आपका how you are growing in that particular organization, ठीक है. Overall promotions and others things, they generally comes under this one. So this is wrong. According to Nadar's classification, training exclusively targets skills applicable to an employee's present job role. Skills applicable to an employee's present job role. This is all about training. Education in L&D framework, learning and development frameworks, is generally characterized by its long-term applicability and less specifically to the ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल रोल आपका, ठीक है. स्टेटमेंट 3 इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, 100% ट्रू, ठीक है. सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ ट्रेनिंग एजुकेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज रिड्यूस ambiguity by aligning accountability with respective organizational unit. True. The success of development initiatives can always be quantitatively evaluated through the short-term performance. Development is always long-term, first of all, and it can be आपका quantitative as well as qualitative, ठीक है. So it can be a both. Learning, next one आपका learning encompass acquired knowledge, skills, attitude by a various mean, आपका study, experiences, seminar, trainings and others. True आपका, ठीक है. So 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes. Option C should be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है. सपना मैम, very very good evening. Yes, yes, yes. Very good guys. Awesome. So statement 1 आपका incorrect. Development focus on long term growth. Statement 5 आपका development impact may not be immediately measurable. So usually, and it has a long term effect on the overall one. ठीक है. Can we take JIB and CIB in the same year? Yes. The rule is basically, my answer is yes, but first you have to clear JIB. Let's say you have cleared JIB this आपका May 2025, ठीक है. Now you are eligible for CIB in आपका November December 2025. So Sapna ma'am, my answer is yes for your question, ठीक है. So you are eligible if you have qualified JIB in 2025 May examination. Now you are eligible for the June one. Sorry, your आपका December one. First you have to qualify, you have to certify it as a JIB, then for the CIB. ठीक है. चलो next one. The statement about the systematic approach of training, and we have to find out the correct statement. ठीक है. Systematic approach of training, and you have to find out the correct statement around this particular one. ठीक है. So training need analysis, TNA, can be done without consulting the superiors or managers. No, this is आपका wrong ना. ठीक है. TNA is generally done by the superiors and all. ठीक है. ट्रेनिंग के साथ आपका होगा. Obviously there is a person who is leading that department, that is who is going to provide the training and all. ठीक है. It can't be. Organizational policy has no influence on the preparation of training plan. Every organization, they have training plans or their policies and all. So like some organization, they like first provide training, then they take a test, then they send employees for the then they generally do the placement things and all. Apprenticeship is a form of on job training. Yes, apprentice करते हैं ना लोग आपका बहुत सारे. Off the job training include methods such as lecture, आपका lecturers and case studies or seminars, it can be, yes, हाँ. तो 3 and 4 should be right answer. ठीक है, I'll go with option C आपका. ठीक है, करेक्ट है. ऑप्शन सी आपका. ठीक है सपना मैम, आपका डाउट क्लियर हो गया ना. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 आर इनकरेक्ट, दीज टू स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन, below are the statement about the systematic approach. One more question around that particular one. ठीक है, तो कई बार आप लोग बहुत थोड़ा सा घबराहट हो जाती है 7 स्टेटमेंट को. एक्चुअली फर्स्ट आई क्रिएटेड दिस क्वेश्चन विद 8 स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है, तो देन व्हाट आई ऑब्जर्व, आपका महेश सर जैसे लोग हैं थोड़ा सा कि सर इतना ज्यादा टेंशन हो जाएगा, गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. व्हेन यूल participate in mock, you will see one single question. ठीक है, I'll give you 50 question for 2 hours. Take your time, think, rethink, attempt करो. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. This is the same question actually. ठीक है, I'll reveal that things why this statement sound very same because it was a question with 8 आपका 9 statement. ठीक है, तो उसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करके बनाया गया है. ठीक है महेश सर, अभी यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आई गेस थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स मिल रहा होगा सॉल्व करने में, बट वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द आपका वर्स्ट सिनेरियो. कुछ भी आपका गड़बड़ हो जाए तो आप चीजों को हैंडल कर पाओ, मैनेज कर पाओ. ठीक है, सो द इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम इज डन ओनली वंस. नो, इट इज आपका, इट इज फ्रीक्वेंट बेसिकली. ठीक है, इमीडिएटली आफ्टर द ट्रेनिंग एंड्स, जब वो एग्जीक्यूशन में जाएगा, विल चेक दैट ना कि आपने क्या सिखाया था, विल रेज द क्वेश्चन इन ऑल. ठीक है, so this is wrong, I'll not go with this. Inspection report and accident records are used as data source in the ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, तो हमने उसको सिखा करके भेजा था, फिर भी उसने कुछ एक्सीडेंट किया एंड ऑल, सो दैट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दिस वन. ठीक है, ट्रेनिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर डेवलप्ड बिफोर कंडक्टिंग TNAs आपका. ठीक है, ट्रेनिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर डेवलप्ड बिफोर कंडक्टिंग TNAs आपका. ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट आपका ये स्टेटमेंट का क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर? ट्रेनिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स डेवलप बिफोर, नहीं नहीं, इट शुड बी आफ्टर आपका. ठीक है, इट शुड बी आफ्टर. इट साउंड ऑड ना, ये बात पहले, मतलब फर्स्ट वी विल डिसाइड द ट्रेनिंग अप्रोच, सिस्टमैटिक ट्रेनिंग अप्रोच क्या होगा, एंड अंडर दैट वन इट विल कम आपका ट्रेनिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव. ठीक है, एज आई कैन इंटरप्रेट दिस वन. क्लासरूम टीचिंग एंड ग्रुप डिस्कशन आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द जॉब ट्रेनिंग मेथड्स आपका. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही है, ऑफ द जॉब आपका. ठीक है, so it is not part of the work and others and all kind of things. Training evaluation aim to determine its training cost exceed the budget only. Training evaluation aim to determine the नहीं, it is about the learnings and all. ठीक है, हम यहाँ ये तो लास्ट चीज आपका है. So 2 and 4 only. ठीक है, 2 and 4 means option A should be right answer for this particular one. Correct है, A ही होगा ना आंसर आपका. What you suggest guys? Yes, हाँ, A is the right answer for this one. ट्रेनिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कम आफ्टर TNA आपका. ठीक है, सो TNA के अंदर आपका ये while we decide the things and all that generally comes under that one. करेक्ट है. चलो नेक्स्ट वन गाइस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. सो which of the following statement about the support system from learning and development in HRM are correct? ठीक है, सपोर्ट सिस्टम, which of the following statement about support system for learning and development आर करेक्ट. ठीक है, सपोर्ट सिस्टम आपका. चलो एक बार गो थ्रू करेंगे स्टेटमेंट को. दिस सेशन विल गो अराउंड 9:30. ठीक है, अगर किसी का कोई टाइमिंग का वो है. So first statement, the success of learning and development largely depend on the effective functioning of the performance appraisal system and extent of information flow from the training system. ठीक है, without integration with the human resource information system HRIS, the learning and development process can still function. No. ठीक है, आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा नया पर्सन कौन ज्वाइन किया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. ठीक, द एब्सेंस ऑफ congruence among the HR subsystem may lead to training system becoming a mechanical process. Yes, बिल्कुल, rather than the development one. ठीक है, हम क्या करें, PPT स्लाइड चला दे रहे हैं, उस पर पढ़ लो, समझ लो वाला थिंग्स आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो दिस साउंड करेक्ट. डेटा अबाउट एम्प्लॉइज ऑन द जॉब एक्सपीरियंस एंड स्किल्स from HRIS has no significant impact. आपका it has, because based on their skill set and all, will be able to understand the present status of the employees. Learning and development as a subsystem in HRM thrive best when it linked to the performance outcome and supported by information system. ठीक है, तो 135 means आपका option B should be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है, how many people mark the B आपका? क्लास ग्रुप डिस्कशन कम्स अंडर द ऑफिस जॉब. नहीं नहीं, देखो इट इज आपका वैशलिनी मैम, दैट वाज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू like let's say if we are studying for the graduation things or some, let's say if I'm preparing for RWA grade B examination, so that is the classroom things. ठीक है, let's say if I'm taking some interview sessions from some experts and all, ठीक है, that is not the kind of things. ठीक है, that is offline आपका. ठीक है, or even let's say if I'm taking some sessions to build my skills and all, other part आपका, they are offline. ठीक है, that is not part of this one. ठीक है, class group discussion comes under office job training. Class group, it is like, see, we can have two type of things. One is around the skill developments and all. Okay, so let's say if I'm enhancing my skill, that is not directly going to benefit me, but that will help me to win some sort of as we guys are doing, we are preparing for CIB examination. This will help you. Aapka, this is not, bank is not providing you this kind of things. Okay? But bank, they have some policy ki if you'll clear this examination, you will be eligible for the early promotions or for the increments things and all. That is the kind of things that is generally part of this one. Okay, okay, I'll just go back if I miss. Learning this one or the previous one? Previous one, I guess. Okay. So training evaluation aim to determine training cost. No. कहाँ पे था ये? Off the job training include methods such as lectures and so see, this is something आपका जैसे off the job. What we are doing right now, this is off the job. ठीक है? It is not, the responsibility of this particular one is not taken by the organization. Organization is not paying us to participate in this particular class and all. We are just trying to enhance our skills or our understanding and all. That is something. Let's say if organization intentionally training you for the trading platforms like Forex and all, they are saying you like after 3 months you are going to be part of the trading terminal of Forex market, and for that sake you will work with this person who is a senior most, and they'll guide you आपका as a coach, or will take one test or the offline training which is bank going to bear. So these are generally part of that one. I hope you got this particular one clear. Vishlani ma'am, now it is clear. Still, if you have doubt, please do let me know. Huh? So this we have done. Next one. Which of the following statement regarding the evaluation of HRD and its subsystem are correct? Okay? So evaluation of HRD and its subsystems are correct. Okay? Vaishali ma'am, I hope you got this particular one. Still, if you face difficulty, I guess you are the one person who used to send me screenshot on Telegram and all. You just send me that screenshot and all. I'll try to help you out with that particular one. हाँ, your comments are bit late, I guess. ठीक है, चलो एक बार देख लीजिएगा. And still, if that is confusing, you can send me. हाँ, चलो. So, which of the following statement regarding evolution of HRD and its subsystem are correct? We have to find out the correct statement. During the Industrial Revolution, human beings were viewed primarily as a tool for production. 100% true. If you have read the management things, so Industrial Revolution was around something आपका Fordism, Henry Ford आपका, that T model. So that time we have some sort of mindset कि we just want to increase the productivity. Henry Ford used to say this कि I just want to increase the productivity. I want to produce more and more cars at a lower cost. So people, they can have some sort of affordability, and to increase this productivity, machines are the only tools. We do not care about the skills of people and all. We can hire any person, we can train that particular person, and that person need to do same job throughout the life. So that was the thought process around this particular period. So that is 100% true. This is आपका 100% true. HRD initially focused only on technical trainings, but later evolved to include behavioral and interpersonal skills. आपका again 100% true. तो यहाँ पे that industrialization, during that industrial revolution, this was the thought, and they used to provide that training, how what will be your job in this particular process, and that is the one. Later, with the human approaches, a human where we are start giving the importances to the humans, this also evolved. In 1990s, computerization led to widespread anxiety among senior employees due to a skills gap. आपका this happened in banks also, ठीक है. So 90s India आपका it is around आपका 2000 where we start implementing computers in the banking system as well. So this was the period जहाँ पे computers आए, तो लोगों के अंदर एक डर कि like let's say a banker who is working from last 15 to 20 years with the system, they were used to आपका have maintained the register and all. Now we come up with the things कि भैया आज से आपको या आने वाले समय से you have to work in computers. So that is something, just understand the psychology of that particular person who is working from last 15 years using a method. Now suddenly you are asking to change that particular one. For that sake, we have William Bridge transition model, ठीक है. So people they have three stages. Letting go, अब मेरे से नहीं होगा, खत्म है यहाँ दुनिया, ठीक है. Then neutral stage where we start adopting learning things and all, productivity come down. Then final stage आपका adoption, new change, आपका beginning of the one. So this is correct here. Industrial democracy in 1990s encouraged participative decision making by the workers. Outsourcing initiative in 1990s were driven primarily by the need to increase it will decrease the employments आपका. If it is outsourcing initiative, obviously it will have a negative impact. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 means option A should be right answer for this one, ठीक है. Outsourcing was initiated mainly reduce the operational cost, not increase the employment as well, ठीक है. So option A is the right, statement A is the right answer for this one, ठीक है. Next one. Consider the following 7 statement. Now I have decreased these 7 statement to 4 statements. ठीक है. अब इसका जो remaining 3 statement है you will get later on, ठीक है. So आपका attitude and its development, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा देखो यार, एक चीज मैं आपको, जैसे हम लोगों ने जब JEE क्लियर किया था ना, that time the game was easy, but अभी ये थोड़ा सा difficult हुआ है, तो उसी तरीके से ready रहना है हम सबको, ठीक है. What will be your correct answer guys, बताओ. एटीट्यूड के संबंध में आपका ये है, ठीक है. एटीट्यूड विच इज अ ट्रेट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी, एंड पर्सनैलिटी विच हैज आपका स्टेबल फीचर्स एंड यूनिकनेस इन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, राइट. सो एटीट्यूड आर फॉर्म सोनली ऑन रेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन. Attitudes are formed solely on rational ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड कॉम्पिटेंस इंफॉर्मेशन, ठीक है. क्या कहोगे आप इस स्टेटमेंट के बारे में? Okay, I'll not comment on this statement, ठीक है, because it sounds something आपका incomplete. The behavioral component of attitude refer to a person's feeling or emotions toward an objectives आपका, ठीक है. So when it comes to the behavioral components, behavioral component of attitude refer to a person's feeling or emotions toward an objective. Same. Behavioral component is not the feeling; it should be around the act आपका, ठीक है. I'll not go with this one, ठीक है. The value expression functions of attitude help individual to express their core values through their attitude toward peoples and workplaces. This is 100% true. Fear used to change attitude must be carefully moderated, and a high fear level can cause rejection of the masses also, ठीक है. So fear used to change the attitude, ठीक है. Like sometime we have to use this particular one कि जहाँ पे हमें डराना पड़ेगा subordinate को, if you will not do this one you will be fired, ठीक है. That is the, बट आपका इतना भी नहीं डराना कि उसका डर खत्म हो जाए, ठीक है. वाला जो था ना इसी मूवी में था, तो दैट इज द वन, ठीक है. दिस इज आपका अगेन साउंड करेक्ट है. सो 3 and 4 इज द ऑप्शन हियर. यस, आई विल गो विद ऑप्शन सी ओनली, ठीक है. एक बार चेक भी कर लेते हैं. यस, तो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज आपका एटीट्यूड आर नॉट सोनली बेस्ड ऑन रेशनल और कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑफन दे फॉर्म्ड from the incomplete or biased information as well, ठीक है. This is the explanation. Second one was false. Behavioral competence refer to a tendency to act in certain way. It is not about the emotion, feeling and all. Behavior means आपका how we act, ठीक है. It is something linked with our perception, ठीक है. that perpetual mechanism. Perpetual mechanism, basically we select things, we organize, we interpret, then we come to the perpetual output and accordingly we behave. Okay? So perpetual output means we build our we make our decision about the task or the objectives and accordingly we act आपका. ठीक है, that is something related to act आपका, that is generally part of this particular one. ठीक है, yes. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following statement about power basis and interpersonal interactions in organizations are true? ठीक है, so power basis means आपका I'm the boss. ठीक है, that autocratic approach or the organizational hierarchy. ठीक है, organizational hierarchy means like we have president, vice president, we have let's say senior manager, manager, subordinate. ठीक है, so that power is given to the president. They generally delegate their powers to the lower hierarchies. ठीक है, so president, let's say RBI governor, he has power to manage the entire things, but he cannot handle all things, so that he delegate his power to deputy governors. ठीक है, deputy governors, they have then regional officers and others आपका. ठीक है, that is the one. ठीक है, so this is something related to that particular only. So power basis first. Another one is आपका interpersonal interactions. ठीक है, interaction between two. It can be leader versus subordinate or subordinate versus subordinate. ठीक है, so it is generally known as interpersonal relationship within a group or within organizations. ठीक है, so now with this particular question, what we have to find out? We have to find out the आपका true statements. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा आंसर guys? So referent power is largely based on individual formal position within the organizational hierarchy. ठीक है, so referent is आपका something based on the, it is linked with the leadership and it is not the managerial things. ठीक है, so it is based on their influences, not based on the आपका authority or hierarchy. ठीक है, coercive power can include both tangible punishment like salary cut and intangible punishment like psychological pressures and all. ठीक है, this is 100% true आपका. ठीक है, coercive power which can have both the आपका impact or consequences. The adult ego state in transactional analysis is a primary characterized by the emotional reaction and creativity. Adult ego is transactional analysis characterized by the emotional reaction and creativity. ठीक है, it should be around आपका adult ego is, first of all, it should be unemotional आपका. ठीक है, it is non-emotional reactions and the other areas. I'll not mark this one. Knowledge power is distinct from expert power as it mainly depend on academic qualification rather than the practical experiences and all. ठीक है, this is 100% wrong. ठीक है, it is आपका link with the practical experiences and the other one. ठीक है, incorrect आपका. A cross transaction in the transactional analysis such as parent to child followed by a parent to child often lead to a communication breakdown. Across transactions in the transactional analysis, parent to child followed by the parent to child or even communication breakdown. That should be right. Johari's window, blind area represent the behaviors unknown to others but known to self आपका. ठीक है, so in Johari's window we have 4 quadrants. ठीक है, which is आपका blind is आपका unknown to us. ठीक है, क्या है ये आपका the represent behavior unknown to others. Sorry, it should be आपका not blind, it is आपका hidden. It is आपका about the hidden. ठीक है, ये जो यहाँ पे mention किया गया ना, this is hidden आपका, known to myself, unknown to others. Johari's window के अंदर blind area is which is known to others and unknown to us. ठीक है, it is something like this is also wrong. ठीक है, Johari's window we have 4 quadrants. ठीक है, open area we generally try to understand the lag in the communication by applying the Johari's window. Very important one again. ठीक है, so basically we generally try to move the other quadrant toward the open window. ठीक है, openness means the information which is available to myself and others. Then आपका this is the case of hidden is something which is known to myself but not known to others. Blind spot is something which is known to others but not to me. ठीक है, let's say there are some people while they speak very harshly. ठीक है, जैसे होता है ना कुछ लोग काफी ज्यादा रूड लगते हैं जब बोलते हैं. Maybe that person is very nice but उसका जो टोन है ना बोलने का, that is very rude. So दैट इज, अब उसको लगता है कि यही तरीका है बात करने का, बट अदर नोज कि दिस इज नॉट अ राइट वे, ठीक है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट जनरली कम्स अंडर द ब्लाइंड which is known to others, which can be solved through the feedbacks and all. So that is the one, ठीक है. So open area, blind area, आपका your open, blind, hidden, और the other one is last one which is unknown to both आपका, ठीक है. ना तो हमें पता है ना किसी और को पता है, that kind of things आपका, ठीक है. They generally comes under this one. So this is also wrong. So what should be right answer आपका? 2, 5, 2 or 5. That means option B. If we are confident around this one, we will recheck this one. Statement 3 आपका. Statement 3 is false. Adult ego stage is analytical, logical and unemotional, whereas emotional reactions are related to child ego आपका, ठीक है. So this is आपका, that is as per the theory itself. So this, that means this statement is also wrong. Next one guys. Which of the following statement about talent management and succession planning are true? Talent management and succession planning. This must be the last question आपका, ठीक है. क्योंकि मतलब from this particular topic, because talent planning, management, succession planning was the last sub topic. एक बार देख लेते हैं. A quick difference between expert and knowledge. So it is आपका DF, it is something आपका when it comes to the expertise which include आपका, let's say there is a person who is graduate with very good marks, ठीक है. That means that person have knowledge how to execute things or what are the basic things and all, ठीक है. But expertise is something that experienced person and all, ठीक है, who have done that particular, who is doing that particular job from last 10 years. You are an experienced banker. There are so many people candidate outside in the system, they have expertise, they have knowledge to do or like they are maybe eligible for the banking job and all, but you are the expert because you are doing the same job from last 1 year, 2 year, 3 years or 5 years and all. That is the difference. Knowledge is something like we know how to do things and all, but expertise is something we have done that particular thing in past with the knowledge. So knowledge and expertise, experience and all, that is the kind of a combination in this one. Pujisha ma'am, I hope you got this particular thing clearly. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं दोस्तों. Next question आपका है talent management in succession planning. So what will be your correct answer for this one? Anyone who want to answer this question? So talent management mainly include acquiring, developing and retaining talented employees. ठीक है. First statement, ठीक है. Talent management mainly include acquiring employees, developing or training talented employees आपका, ठीक है. So first statement, यहाँ पे कोई गड़बड़ नहीं है, ठीक है. Right person at right job, talented का मतलब है. Succession planning ensure smooth leadership transition by preparing internal candidate to fit to fill the job roles आपका, ठीक है. Succession planning is something, let's say you are working as a leader in that particular department. Now you will get promoted, so someone else will come. तो जो आपके subordinates हैं, you will train them so they can handle that particular position. Or out of those subordinate only, we will recruit one person. Compensation management is a core function of your talent management. So it is compensation management is a core function. Human management is more. Compensation is one element of this. The three C's of talent are competence, commitments and contribution 100% true. ठीक है. So 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 means option A should be right answer for this one. ठीक है. Compensation is generally not considered part of the talent management. ठीक है. First of all, so it is आपका human resource management and all, right? चलो next one. अच्छा, one more question. हाँ, the remaining statement from that 7 statement. ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ पे 4 statement यहाँ पे है, 4 वहाँ पे थे. 4 statements में से you have to find out the correct one. So what will be your correct answer for this one, guys? Anyone who want to answer this question? A negative attitude toward management by union members is always based on factual evidence. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. It can be some other reason also. ठीक है. जैसे होता है ना, बैंक यूनियन वाले हमारे हैं जो like all the senior person and all 5 days working, तो हमारा उनके लिए negative opinion is with 5 days only. ठीक है. हम बोलते हैं promotion आपका हाइक किया जो अदर से वो ठीक है मैनेज कर लेंगे, but just give us 5 days working and all. ठीक है. Fear used to change attitude must be carefully. This we have discussed earlier also. Co-opting, this was part of the earlier question also. Co-opting dissatisfying employees by involving them in improvement processes is an effective way to change their attitude and all. बिल्कुल सही, they'll feel motivated by this way. Managers should focus only on imparting skills and knowledge, as attitude cannot be, it can be influence आपका, ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है. Managers with by setting some sort of examples and all, or by applying the nudge theory, they can change the attitude of people in the organization. And this is the role of, or this is the job of leaders or managers. They have to align individual interests toward the organizational interests. Otherwise, there is no point to making you a manager. So 2 and 3 आपका B will be right answer for this particular question. Correct है? Yes, very good guys. Next one.